Now this is the reading for our AC in the server room. It's actually only 80. So that's mean our AC is not having enough what? It's not having enough gas. So we need to add up to 120. Since this is 14, no, we need to go slow. We should not go beyond. It's only 100. That's not bad. Or it's strictly. Because it's only just one indoor, so it has to be strictly 120. Okay. This is 100, so but we need 120 up here. This is more than this is enough. Let's see it's stabilized. I think it's will stabilize where we want.